What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, today it's supposed to be kind of rainy and crappy out, but shoot, man, it's actually pretty nice out. You know, I need to wash the Mach 1. Yeah, it's a mess. But anyhow, yeah, I've been out here working on this Fairmont all day, trying to get this thing wired up. And every day we get a little closer and closer every day. Let's turn this around here and see what we got going on, baby. So get over here on the driver's side. So these wires right here, they go to the solenoid. I just gotta put these together and get these things hooked up. And then this wire right here, I kind of left it in its own little loom, and I kind of left it by itself. And the reason why, because I may want to change something later on. So we got this, and it goes through. So what I did, I brought everything through the bottom, down through here, and then I ran it through the cowl. So everything's in the cowl. Got that going on. Let's walk over. And like I said, we're going through the cowl here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna button this stuff up. And like I said, I ran the trigger wire through here, kind of by itself. And then they both come down here, come out. See them there? And that, and they go through here, and then they come out. And I got them wrapped around here, and I got this thing right here. It is almost a perfect fit. And I'm going to use that. I just need to find a better way to secure it and keep it in there. Shoot, yeah, man, you got to protect those wires and those looms, right? So, and then we walked around here. So I just got the wires just kind of like on the solenoid, just on there that tight, just kind of loosely. And there's that little cap right there. I got the wires coming through, you know, and got that done. And then I got my starter wires. Oops, they come down through there behind the motor mount. I got them looped around here, under the frame, in this hole here, and then come back around, and I got them secured right there. So maybe not the best in the world, but not bad. So we're getting things done. And look, I even hooked up the ground cable. So I got to get a positive cable for the battery. And to be honest with you, this thing's ready to turn over with the key. It really is. I could probably throw a battery in there and hit the ignition, and it would probably turn over. But I got to go through, make sure everything's tight and ready to go. Yeah, beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Okay, so all things set to the side, if I hook up the black wire and the yellow wire over there and get me a positive cable and hook everything up, I should be able to turn this thing over by a key, because everything in the inside's all plugged into the steering column and everything. So, but it's not gonna be today. Not gonna lie, maybe it might be today. Depends on, you know, how bad I want to get this thing to turn over by the key. Yeah. So, you know, but I mean, I still got to make sure. I did bring the distributor up to top dead center, lined up number 1, and that was top dead center on compression stroke. Brought it over to number 1, where I want to start my wiring from the plugs, and I need to recheck that again to make sure, and because I've been doing a lot, so everything kind of like goes together. But anyhow, yeah, we're getting closer every day. Maybe even a little closer today than we're supposed to. But anyhow, I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you watching my videos and commenting and everything else. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. I want you to have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this.